Friday, Marcus in the house, and we're all heading to the Toronto Foxbody Club meet. It's Foxbody Friday, so let's go. Traction control off, engaged. Well, that was a first. We just got a thumbs up from somebody in a red C8 Corvette. Wasn't expecting that, to be honest with you. Looks like there's a few Fox bodies so far. Really nice color on this. I think it's 82 from the front end. Yeah, nice. Yeah, 82. This little black coupe. Look nice. I like those 95 Cobra hoods. Look nice on there. Very clean notch. The dash package on the vert, super clean. Let's check out this interior. Nice spotless white. Yeah, that looks really nice. Very nice. Apollo's GT. Nelson's Vert. Here's Deal, Wicked. Pony Boys. Ah. I love this. Here's Jeff's rides. His and hers, so you saw it, the original, and then you saw it too. Wife's Vert. There's Jeff's coupe. That's cool. Nice T-top. It's a pretty cool blue. What the wrapped?
Yeah, it's
What is it?
Oh, I just looked it up. Yeah, it's,
you forget your own wrap?
Yeah, I forget the color. It's gloss smoky blue is what it's called.
Gloss smoky blue. That's a nice blue, man.
Yeah,
That's a nice
really
blue.
like it.
Yeah, it looks good.
Next time the engine comes out, it's gonna be the orange bay.
Same color or
might just
back
go
to white?
black.
What's the original color of the car? Is it white?
Yeah. Tony did a terrible paint job on it before he bought it.
It's okay. Still looks pretty solid though.
Yeah, well, I spent a long time. I basically prepped it for a paint job
Yeah, yeah.
before I wrapped it.
Frame rails look good.
Yeah, it's super solid, like rust-wise.
Yeah, looks good.
I'd do a couple
They always
things.
get a little bit of heat on the left side there. Everyone
Yeah.
gets a little bubble action, right?
Yeah, like if you look
Yeah, I
at
saw
the
it.
bottom of the headers, you can see it.
Yeah, the header's so close, right, to the frame rail, but
Especially with the 351.
cool. It's a nice blue. This is nice. This is really nice. Whose car is it? Do you know whose it is? On his head. It's really nice. Nice little ride. That's a clean engine bay.
It's a high rise on the side.
Haven't seen Don's car this year yet. Looking nice. A hot little convertible. Love this convertible. You guys heard it coming in. Sounds nasty. Sits nice. It's on the money.
So I just got a port, so I got the Mustang. Stay right.
That's a wrap. Thanks, brother. That's it for the Toronto Foxbody Club meet for tonight. But everyone is now heading over to another local meet. It's referred to as the financial drive meet. So usually it's a mixed crowd there. So we're gonna pop over ourselves and say hi and see what's there.
Shit, there's lots of cars.
Yeah, a lot of cars here. Just pulling into the financial drive meet. Lots of cars here.
Look at my eye.
Yeah, mixed crowd.
Mix.
We got bikes. We got
Got
crowd or
Alright?
good crowd tonight?
It's okay. There are some interesting characters here.
That's a polite way of saying it. There's quite a few Foxbodies. I wonder if Jeff came.
I think he went home.
To Toronto? Did he
I
come?
don't know.
Where'd you park?
Over there.
Haven't been over here in a while, eh? I do like the mix though, the variety. Nice little row of different cars. Red looks sweet. It's nice. I think that's Toxics. Looks sharp. You see the Jet Fighter Grey?
I like it.
It looks like there's like almost like a green hue to it almost, eh?
I like it. I like
It's
that
interesting.
color.